wow, how large the site is and how close it is to the city centre, and it's a fantastic opportunity. I've been involved with capital works projects across government and in health for the past 30 years, and to get something like this in the community is just so exciting. The possibilities, the extended services, the ability to be able to be doing new and exciting things here to help the community access a greater range of services locally and to reduce the need to travel to other locations like Brisbane. It's here, it's tangible, it's happening.
I had the pleasure of going onto the site and seeing where the pad for the new hospital is, and it's certainly much larger than I had thought, but I can see the extensive site works, and I know people can't see anything from the road, but a lot of work has happened with infrastructure, with the power, with the water, with the drainage. So it's a really exciting stage to see the progress thus far.
For the community and stakeholders that are interested in the hospital build, just think about the opportunities that will come. Not only just in terms of development around the hospital site, as more specialist services come in, support services, etc., housing developments, etc., to access the site, but the new jobs that this site will create.
We are able to look forward into the future for service enhancements and certainly increase in our service capability. We will have state-of-the-art facilities and equipment that goes along with that.
So embrace those opportunities, talk to your kids about future jobs at the Bundaberg Hospital and get them excited about the potential to have a career in health.
A sincere thank you to the teams. Their contribution has been critical to designing our new hospital. Our clinicians and non-clinical staff come to the table each and every time, and they have their say and their input, and we couldn't be where we are today without that. And they have stayed engaged throughout this process, along with our consumers. We need to connect with our community and hear their voice and make sure the design meets their needs, and we've certainly taken on board their feedback.